Apurva Mukherjee's close friend and fellow travel creator Anunay Sood has passed away at the age of 32. The Dubai-based Indian travel influencer and photographer's untimely death has left the digital community in deep shock and sorrow. His family confirmed the heartbreaking news through an official statement on his Instagram account. The post read, "It is with deep sadness that we share the news of our beloved Anunay Sood's passing. We kindly ask for your understanding and privacy as we navigate this difficult time and request everyone to avoid gathering near personal property. Please keep his family and loved ones in your thoughts and prayers. May his soul rest in peace." According to his recent social media activity, Anunay was in Las Vegas, where he appeared to be attending a luxury automobile event. His last Instagram post, shared just 2 days before the announcement, featured him posing with sports cars and carried the caption, "Still can't believe I spent the weekend surrounded by legends and dream machines." The post has since been flooded with messages from fans and fellow creators expressing disbelief and condolences. The cause of his death has not yet been disclosed. Anunay Sood was one of India's most recognized travel influencers, celebrated for his cinematic travel reels, stunning drone shots, and high-energy vlogs. With over 1.4 million followers on Instagram and 3.8 lakh subscribers on YouTube, he turned his love for exploration into a successful full-time career. He was featured in Forbes India's Top 100 Digital Stars list for 3 consecutive years, 2022, 2023, and 2024. Apart from his travel ventures, Anunay also managed a Dubai-based marketing firm. He often shared memories with fellow influencers, especially Apurva Mukherjee, with whom he had traveled to several destinations. News of his passing has sent shockwaves through the influencer and travel community. Fans and peers described him as an inspiration, known for his creativity, kindness, and passion. Many called him a pioneer in showcasing luxury and offbeat destinations with cinematic precision, a true storyteller who inspired countless young travelers to chase their dreams. May his soul rest in peace. Anunay Sood's legacy will continue to inspire wanderers around the world. Twinkle Khanna is once again making headlines, this time for her bold and honest opinions on love, cheating, and relationships. During a recent segment on her show Too Much, featuring Kajol, Ananya Pandey, and Farah Khan, Twinkle sparked quite a debate with her thoughts on infidelity and modern dating. The group was asked to agree or disagree with the statement, "Older people are better at hiding their affairs than younger people." Twinkle, Farah, and Ananya agreed with the statement, while Kajol chose to disagree. Twinkle Khanna said, "Older people are much better, lots of practice." Kajol, on the other hand, shared her view, saying, "I feel younger people are much better at hiding everything about their lives, affairs." Adding to the conversation, Ananya Pandey remarked, "Everything comes out anyway because of social media." The discussion then moved to another bold statement, "Today's kids change their partners faster than they change outfits." Twinkle agreed with this notion, while Kajol, Farah, and Ananya did not. Explaining her perspective, Twinkle said, "It's a good thing because in our time, it was like, what will people say? We can't do this. They are changing their partners quickly, and I think it's a good thing." Ananya Pandey, however, offered a different take, saying, "People have always been changing their partners. Earlier, it was a bit quiet." Twinkle further added, "It's much easier for them because they have no baggage. They are like, this is not working. Let's move on quickly." This isn't the first time Twinkle's views have made waves online. Earlier, in another viral segment, Twinkle and Kajol had stirred conversation once again while discussing infidelity with Karan Johar and Janhavi Kapoor. During that discussion, Twinkle Khanna said, "Raat gayi, baat gayi." Karan Johar added, "I believe physical infidelity is not a deal breaker." Janhavi Kapoor disagreed, saying, "No, the deal is broken." The conversation took a humorous turn when Karan said, "ठंड लग जाती है कभी कभी," to which Janhavi replied, "नहीं, नहीं लगनी चाहिए ना. Blanket lagro." Twinkle then quipped, "We are 50. She's in her 20s. She will get into this circle soon." Twinkle's candid and unapologetic views may have invited trolling online, but one thing remains clear: she never shies away from saying what she truly believes. Actor and singer Shehnaz Gill, who was recently seen in the Punjabi film Ek Kudi, has opened up about her past relationships, and her thoughts are as honest as ever. In a new interview, Shehnaz shared that she has been through a rough phase in love and even confessed that she has betrayed someone in a relationship, but she had her reasons. When asked if she has ever betrayed anyone, Shehnaz candidly said, "I have. In love, not otherwise." She explained that it happened when she felt her expectations weren't being met. "I only did it because the vibe wasn't matching. When you expect something from someone, and they don't meet those expectations. I have those expectations. I can't just keep on giving. I believe in give and take. So when such things happen, I call it off because you can't invest so much in someone else. Because then you are wasting your time." Shehnaz added that for her, love should always be mutual. A woman wants to be loved in exchange for love. If someone can't love you, then what's the point? When asked about her ideal partner, Shehnaz shared her wish list. "I want my partner to be understanding, open-minded, independent. They should give me space. We should be able to show our work to each other, appreciate it together. We should be able to talk to each other without our phones. We should be able to travel together." The actor also opened up about financial equality in relationships, something she feels strongly about. "All the relationships that I have been in, I have always believed in sharing. Like if we are on a vacation, we split the bills in half." She added that some men take offense to that. "Men have a problem with this. They feel, why your money? I can just spend my money. I wonder why. Is it because they're insecure that a woman can pay for herself? I am very particular about these things." Talking about money, Shehnaz also said it's essential for her future security. "I know that I have no one who can look after me financially. I don't know if I will get married or not. So I just want to save for myself, my future, take care of my health. I also have to take care of my family members, so I have to work as long as I can." With her fearless honesty and self-made attitude, Shehnaz Gill once again proves she's not just a star, she's an inspiration. Amid divorce rumors with Jai Bhanushali and reports claiming a hefty alimony demand, actress Mahi Weej has surprised her fans with some happy news. The popular television star is all set to make her comeback to the small screen after 9 long years with her new show, Seher Hone Ko Hai. Known for her memorable roles and countless TV hits, Mahi will now be seen in a show set against a Muslim backdrop, where she plays the role of a teenager's mother. The show will reportedly star Parth Santhan as the male lead. In her latest vlog, Mahi opened up about her return to television, her gratitude, and the emotional journey behind this comeback. Starting the video, she said, "I just want to thank God that I have everything I wished for. When I asked for work, I got it." Despite doing well on social media, Mahi admitted she truly missed acting. "When I wanted to come back, I wasn't getting good work. I was earning well from Instagram, but I wanted to act again, she revealed. Talking about her current schedule, she added, "We are in Lucknow completing the leftover scenes. Today we will do some patchwork. I feel guilty leaving my kids behind, but I'm happy to be working again." Recently, Mahi and Jai made headlines over alleged marital troubles, but the actress has completely denied the rumors, assuring fans that everything is fine between them. In the same vlog, she even mentioned Jai's thoughtful gesture, saying, "Jai got me a Christian Dior lipstick from Japan." For those who may not know, Mahi and Jai tied the knot in 2011. In 2017, they welcomed two foster children, and 2 years later, they became proud parents to their daughter Tara. After 9 years away from television, Mahi Weej is ready for a fresh start, both professionally and personally. Her fans are thrilled to see her back where she belongs, on screen, creating magic once again.